Welcome back, Wanderers. Today, we're taking you back to Universal Studios Hollywood. Experience an epic adventure right into the heart of Skull Island. Get ready to roar with excitement as we dive into the jaw-dropping King Kong 360 3D experience at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hold on tight as we embark on this wild, immersive journey through a prehistoric jungle filled with towering dinosaurs and the legendary King Kong himself. Did you know? This colossal attraction boasts the world's largest 3D experience. So buckle up and prepare for a thrill ride like no other. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join us on more thrilling escapades. We really appreciate all of you who have subscribed so far. All right, Wanderers, let's go.
Yes.